That's reality. You can't live in the world, well you can, but it's not going to help you. You can't live in the world that she's not going to do because I'm an adult. Because I'm a blah, blah, blah. Why should kids listen? Somebody, I want to hear a few people. Why should your kids listen to you? Somebody. You live in the world that they will, so I want to know why.
Because they want to please you.
Because they want to please you, okay. Well, they want their love in it, but why should, okay, so you're saying why should kids listen to you? Because they want to please you and they want their love and attention. Okay, somebody else.
They're tired.
I like the way that you raised your hand quietly.
Because we are your trust.
Oh, do they care? No. Oh yeah, but it's not about you, it's about them. That's the problem. You think it's about us. We think everything's about us. Okay, why? Was there, I want to say, I like the way you're raising your hand quietly.
They look for guidance.
Oh, they do. How many of you agree that they look for guidance?
No.
Now, hold on a second. Remember, we have human beings that have different opinions than you, and it's okay. People still know what you are. Are you a tomahawk chop, or your hand was up there by the time your shoulder strained? Just okay. Why should your kids listen to you?
Because they trust in us.
They trust in you? You guys got a lot of stories going on.
Because we're the adults and we think that's what they're going to do.
Oh yeah, because we love to listen to adults. How many of you love to listen to your parents when they told you what you should do? No, you said thank you, person that's been out of reality for 20 years because you've been in your own world.